Hello, welcome. My name is Wolfgang Granik and I will show you today an electronic speed controller for drones. This speed controller is equipped with OPTIMOS 8 100 volt samples and a PSOC control MCU. What we use here is a microcontroller, the PSOC C3 with 180 megahertz. We are using gate drivers to drive the MOSFETs. And here this is the new MOSFETs, let's say OPTIMOS 8 100 volts. You can choose between 1.8 milliohm and up to 4 milliohm depending on your application. And the drivers, the LDOs, and according current sensors. And this is the module. This module contains of two PCBs. One PCB contains here the power, the OPTIMOS parts, and also the current sensors on the back side. These are tunneling magnetoresistive, let's say TMR current sensors, and controlled by control cards, equipped with the according drivers for the MOSFETs, controlled by this PSOC C3 and LDO, and can be controlled by this interface. The overall power of this board is 1 kilowatt in average and peak 2 kilowatts, which is really sufficient and good equipped to control these kind of drone motors. And when you want to have more details about this application and products, go to the homepage and have a look to our speed controller page to get more information.